We well, I planned this camping trip for us both. Come down to Bollender Vale Farm down at Serpentine. About a few days before we were going to head down, there was severe weather warning, and I said, nah, no way, we're not going to do this. And Amanda said, no, let's do it. And I'm going, righto, check the weather report. Righto, let's make an adventure. With the new Get It Out Ranger, with all the awning and the bloody 12 volt and the fridge, we want to try it out. I mean, this trip is a 5 day 4-night adventure. So yep, no, we'll do it. And you know what? So far, so good. There's been rain. The first night was first day, beautiful skies. We knew the weather was coming, so you know we just sort of prepared for it. Kept an eye on the oh, look at that there, eh? That's a ghost. That's the ghost in the camera. Anyway, we prepared for it and just waited out. Well, there's a few heavy falls, but you know what? It's all part of camping, eh? And absolutely loved it. I don't know if you can catch in the background, but we've pretty much camped on the side of a little river stream or a brook, a dirt brook, we call it, and just the natural waterfall going over the rocks. Oh man, it's just so pleasant. This place is amazing. But we're going to continue on and head further down to Dwellingup to Lane Pool. Going to camp down there for a couple of nights, and yeah, fucking loving it. It'll be great. Really enjoying it, eh?